Hi guys, it's Debbie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your very own hair growth oil. Our first ingredient for which is our aloe vera. Our aloe vera will moisturize your hair. It is rich in vitamins which will help you to promote growth and nourish your hair. We will start by removing the edges of this your aloe vera and also the bottom part. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you have not yet subscribed but you keep on coming, please subscribe, leave a like down below and comment and let me know what you think. Ask me any questions and I will be sure to answer you. Now we will not be extracting the gel from this aloe vera. However, we will be cutting it up as is. So we will cut up your aloe vera into small manageable pieces. After that, we'll move on to our next ingredient, which is our onions. We'll be using half of a white onion today. Our onions are great for damaged hair. It will help you to prevent hair loss. It is good for bald spots and it will help to prevent thinning. As I said before, we are using a half of an onion. We will be cutting it up into small pieces. Nothing too fancy, just cut it up in small pieces. If you have some of the brown outer skin on it, it is no crime. You can leave it on it. Our next ingredient is our okras. We'll be using 4 medium-sized okras today, and to prepare our okras, we will be removing the top and the bottom from our okras, and then we will continue to crucify our okras. Our okras are great for preventing breakage and split ends. They also help to remove dandruff, and they are great for moisturizing your hair. So we will start cutting your okras into small manageable pieces. I have a video on how you can use this same okra as a leave-in conditioner or a conditioner for your hair. I will leave it, of course, in the description. At this stage, you'll add all your ingredients to a pot of your choice or a frying pan, and this is where all the oils come in. Our first oil and our most important oil today is our coconut oil. This oil is very affordable. It is also rich in vitamin E. It prevents damage, it promotes growth, and it prevents flaking. It is also good for your scalp. Now you'll add your coconut oil. About 2 cups I use today, and then we'll be moving on to our next favorite of mine, which is olive oil. Now we'll be adding about a half cup of olive oil. Olive oil is good for blood circulation. It will thicken your hair, it will double your hair growth and prevent split ends. Now after you have added your olive oil, we will be adding avocado oil, and avocado oil will moisturize your hair. This oil is a little bit different because it penetrates the hair and moisturizes the hair. Now all your oils, you will add them just to fill up the amount of ingredients that you have. So if you need to add a little bit more, then do so. Now after adding the oils, I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I transfer it to the fire and I put it on low heat for about 15 minutes. Now this is where all the amino acids and all the nutrients gets sucked. I don't know the word, but it gets transferred into the oil from the ingredients. Now you'll notice foams coming up on the top. That is completely natural. This means that it is going on perfectly. You don't want the flame to be too high because it can burn and all the amino acids you have will burn. So now after 15 minutes, you will begin to cool your oil, and then you will strain your oil in a bowl of your choice. After which we will be using the back of our spoon to kind of press any oil that is stuck in our main ingredients. And I don't know why I was beating it right here, guys. Me not have no reason. I just my Jamaican default for beat spoon or fork. Anyways, now we'll be adding our vitamin E oil, which is a natural preservative for oil, which is also has a lot of hair benefits. I added about 5 drops of this, our vitamin E oil, and then I gave it a little stir. Now I really don't feel complete if I don't add vitamin E oil to my products, guys. To calm down the scent of the onions, I'll be adding vanilla oil, which will soften your hair it, as I said before, will give it a better scent, and it will also help to promote hair growth. Now after this, you will be transferring your oil to your applicator bottle or a jar of your choice. I'll be using this oil on my sister's hair today. This is her previous breakage. I'll be applying it to freshly washed hair. The first thing that I do is I part her hair into 2 sections. Then I use smaller sections and I take the oil and I apply it directly to the scalp. I am very gentle when handling hair, especially when it is not my hair, because she is very tender-headed. I apply it to the scalp and the ends of the hair, and then I'll be using my hands and my fingers to massage the oil into the shaft of the hair. As you can see, this oil adds a whole lot of sheen to your hair, and it is extremely moisturizing. I use a wide tooth comb to help me with detangling, and I just continue to use my hands to massage the oil in her hair, even the tips of her hair, because the tips are very important. Now I'm showing you again on a different section how I apply the oil. Just put it all over her scalp and use my fingers to massage it in the rest of her hair. I prefer to use this oil because it actually penetrates the hair. Because of the avocado oil in there, it actually penetrates the hair instead of sitting on top of your hair like many store-bought hair growth products. It actually penetrates the hair and moisturizes the hair and do what it needs to do. So as you can see in the comb, there's not a lot of breakage, and I am very grateful for that. Her hair is easily tangled, and I actually noticed that using this oil actually helps a little with detangling your hair. I wouldn't label it as a detangler, but it does show some difference where it goes to handling your hair. Now I will be twisting her hair in order to lock in that moisture and the oil that is in her hair, and I'll be showing you again the previous breakage before using this oil in her hair, and this is now the breakage that I have. You have come to the end of another production by Debbie. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and remember, it's health over length, so don't stress it.